Unveiling reasons for getting no likes on Instagram. Are you feeling disappointed when your Instagram posts receive little to no likes? You're not alone. It's a frustration many social media users face, leading to feelings of inadequacy and self-doubt. Impact of no likes. The absence of likes can undermine your confidence and affect how you perceive your online identity. When comparing yourself with others who seem to effortlessly gather likes and followers, it can intensify feelings of insecurity. Possible reasons for low engagement. So, why might you be getting no likes on Instagram? Let's explore some common reasons. 1. Low-quality posts. If your photos lack visual appeal or creativity, they might not capture your audience's attention. 2. Ineffective use of hashtags. Hashtags are vital for discoverability. Not using relevant or popular hashtags, or overusing them, can leave your posts unseen. 3. Inconsistent posting time. Posting at times when your audience is most active significantly boosts your chances of engagement. 4. Poor captions. Captions add depth to your posts. If they're bland or lack a call to action, they may not resonate with your audience. 5. Lack of engagement with your audience. Social media is a two-way street. Not actively engaging with your followers can lead to reduced interest in your content. 6. Algorithm changes. Finally, remember that social media algorithms are ever-evolving. Techniques that worked before might not yield the same results now. If you're tired of posting and receiving no likes, it's time to assess these factors and make necessary adjustments. Want to learn more? Subscribe our YouTube channel.